An Australian man had his thumb sliced off in a tragic cattle accident, and he was forced to replace his thumb with his own big toe. Problem is, now he doesn't have a big toe. More on this today on InformOverload. What is good, potatoes? This is IO, I'm Charlotte, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all your trending news here on YouTube. 10 points if you got that pun. Zach Mitchell is 20 years old and he works for a cattle ranch in Western Australia that's basically in the middle of nowhere. His hand was kicked by a bull and was driven into a fence. In the process, the thumb on his right hand was sliced off. Ooh, ouch. According to Zach, when he got up off the ground, he was in severe pain, and when he looked up, his thumb was still hanging on the rail. Gross. Normally in a situation like this, if you retrieve the severed limb, keep it on ice, and you bring it to the hospital with you, doctors can actually reattach it and you can even still have feeling in it. Zach put his thumb on ice, but because the nearest hospital was 5 hours away, attempts to reattach his thumb were unsuccessful. He was moved to the Sydney Hospital's Special Hands Unit, and doctors decided the best thing to do would be to transplant his toe into his hand. In case you're wondering, a procedure like this is really unusual. According to the plastic surgeon who performed the operation, occasionally he carries out procedures where he uses skin grafts from the toe to reconstruct the fingers or the thumbs. But removing the whole toe and sticking it onto someone's hand is not something that happens lightly. That being said, the success rate of this procedure is around 95%. Zach should begin to have feeling in his new thumb after a year. Yeah, I mean, he could have had a prosthetic thumb put in, but he wouldn't be able to use it in the same way. A big toe has similar characteristics to a thumb. You can reconnect the nerves and eventually you'll get some movement. Problem is, now Zach doesn't have a big toe. But having no thumb is a lot worse than having no toe. He'll still be able to use his right hand to do a lot of things, but in terms of doing activities that require balance, Zach might be out of luck. He probably won't be able to surf or skateboard, but he should be able to walk and even play competitive sports. Alrighty, that's all for that story. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, but for now I'm going to respond to some of your comments from previous videos. DC fan said, where did all the hosts go? I'm the main host on this channel. When I have auditions or when I'm on set, other hosts cover for me, but other than that, you're stuck with me. I'll tell you what, stay tuned for a double this week with me and Rebecca. Bradley Knight says, Charlotte, what is your favorite Pokemon? Charizard, duh. Thomas Jin said, as a person of Irish descent, I find being called a potato offensive. JK, really enjoying your channel, keep up the good work. I bet you won't read my comment. I'll take that bet. Glad you're enjoying IO, Thomas. The video is over. Hey, if you enjoy watching this channel, why not check out one of these two videos over here? Like this one. Apparently NASA has discovered clean water on Mars. I know, right? So amazing. Click it to find out more information. And as always, make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Later!